magkaramay sa buhay, magkasama sa laban at tagumpay. Sabay tayo, ikaw at ako, gawin natin mas masayang araw ito. Tayo na sa liwanag, magiging tama ang lahat. Sa love, joy, and hope, sabay tayo ngayong Pasko. Sabay tayo ngayong Pasko. Sabay tayo ngayong Pasko.
Kung ramdam mong di ka nag-iisa,
Sa bagong bukas, magtitiwala ka.
ano mang kaunti na ating makakaya, ang mabuting hangarin nagbibigay ng saya.
Sabay tayo, sabay tayo.
History of Sibalom. The town began to take shape under the Spanish rule in the mid-1600s and was later designated as a visita or mission station of Hamtic in 1737. By 1740 to 1745, it was elevated to the status of an independent parish, reflecting its increasing role in both religious and local affairs. In 1751, the settlement was formally established as a Pueblo Civil municipality. Don Pedro Antang was appointed as its first captain, and Gobernador Silo, a notable cultural resistance, took place in 1797, when approximately 180 female Babaylanes, indigenous spiritual leaders, united to oppose Spanish religious control. The Roman Catholic Church was built between 1792 and 1793. Through forced labor, today it remains standing and preserved a historic bell cast in 1794. Significant people. Dato Sumakwel, he is widely believed to have led a group of Malay settlers from Borneo who founded the early settlement of Barabanwa, known as Sibalom. Don Pedro Antang. He became the first Gobernador Silo, town mayor of Sibalom in 1751. Agustin Baladhay, a Gobernador Silo who served several terms and was admired for opposing the abuses of Spanish officials. Santiago Damasceno. He was in office as Gobernador Silo when the Roman Catholic Church was constructed between 1792 and 1793. Juan Geromeo and Juan Benito. These early 1800s leaders managed the town during outbreaks of disease and natural disasters. Geography. Sibalom is a landlocked, second-class municipality in Antique covering about 26,869.73 hectares. Around 83% of its land is made up of rolling hills and mountainous areas. It lies approximately 11 kilometers from San Jose de Buena Vista, often called the Rice Bowl of Antique. The town is also known for the Sibalom River, which is noted for its semi-precious gemstone deposits. Culture. Sibalom is a lively cultural center, celebrated as the Rice Bowl of Antique and the gemstone capital of the Philippines. Its identity is deeply rooted in agriculture, traditional crafts like pottery and bamboo weaving, and a strong sense of unity known as Buroy Loganay, shaped by early Malay influences. The town is also recognized for its river source, gemstone, and enduring community-based traditions.